guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been receiving a lot of doubts regarding your Christ University admissions, and I thought it is high time so I should make a video regarding it so that your all of your doubts should be clear once and for all. Okay, so yes, the forms have been open for both of your UG and PG programs, and in this video we will cover all about the important dates and deadlines that you should be very well aware of, plus how to fill your application form and reduce or avoid all the blunders that students usually do. And for the second round, that will be a micro presentation, skill assessment, and the most important interview round. The details regarding it will also be shared in my upcoming videos. So don't you worry. And let us start with the undergraduate programs for the NRI students. Okay, so the forms have already been open from 28th of October and they will close on 13th January 2025. And the second round's date will be 19 January, 24 January, 25th January, and 26th of January. Okay, and the selection process, that is your entrance test, it will be taken online only for the NRI students, not for the normal students. Okay, then your second round will be taken as per your admit card, whatever center you will select. Okay, and now talking about the undergraduate programs for the students who are residing in India only. Okay, so the forms have been open on 8th of December 2024 and they will close on 27th March for the entrance test students, and for the students who are not giving any entrance test, the forms will close on 4th of April 2025. ठीक है, and your entrance test will take place on 6th of April 2025 and it is an offline exam. ठीक है, ऑनलाइन अब कम कर दे ऑनलाइन अब खत्म कर दिया क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी ने. ठीक है, and the second round, that is your skill assessment micro presentation, all of that will take place from 11th of April to 15th of April. ठीक है, and the second round will take place, that is a micro presentation interview round. It will take place in the campus of one of the campus of Christ University, either it is Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, or Kengri campus, whatever. ठीक है, whatever you will select, there you will be given a slot and there you have to go and give your second round. ठीक है, so as you all know कि Christ University आपको दो chances देता है for the undergraduate program. ठीक है, first is in the April and second is in May. So I have told you all about April and now talking about your May session. ठीक है, so for the May students who are applying in May, the forms are open from 8th of December 2024 and they will close on 29th of April 2025 for the entrance test students, and for the non-entrance students they will close on 8th of May 2025 and the entrance test will take place on 9th of May 2025 and the next rounds, that is your micro presentation wala round. ठीक है, it will take place on 15th to 18th May and same goes for the micro presentation. अनुसार आपका किसी क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी के कैंपस में होगा, टेस्ट आपका ऑफलाइन होगा. द सेंटर यू हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड, जैसे आपको सेंटर सेलेक्ट करना होगा, वे यू हैव टू गो एंड गिव योर एग्जाम. इट इज अ कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट. ठीक है, सो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट कि जो आपका अप्रैल में वो बल्क एडमिशन जाता है, सो उसमें आपके चांसेस ज्यादा होते हैं एडमिशन के. सो आई विल सजेस्ट दैट कि मई में आप कर सकते हो बट डोंट मिस द अप्रैल वाला सेशन. उसमें आपको अगर थोड़ा सा आइडिया भी हो जाएगा कि अगर आपका एक बार अप्रैल में नहीं होता, सो यू हैव अ सेकंड चांस टू अप्लाई इन मई. बट अप्लाई तो आपको अभी ही करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने सिर्फ अप्रैल के लिए अप्लाई कर दिया, आपने मई के लिए नहीं किया. सो आई विल सजेस्ट कि दोनों के लिए कर दो बट डोंट एवर मिस योर अप्रैल वाला सेशन. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसमें चांसेस ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं एडमिशन के, बिकॉज एक ही बारी में बहुत ही ज्यादा बल्क एडमिशन वो कर देते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसके बाद आपकी मोस्ट ऑफ द सीट्स फिल हो जाती हैं. सो अप्रैल सेशन प्लीज कर. ठीक है, सो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम्स, द फॉर्म्स हैव ऑलरेडी बीन ओपन फ्रॉम 8th of December and they will close on 16th of February 2025 and the SP dates are 21st and 22nd February and the exam will take place in one of the campus of Christ University as per your admit card, whichever campus you have selected. ठीक है, the second session first is in the February, second session is in the March and the forms will close on 16th of March 2025. ठीक है, SP dates are 21st to 25th 22nd March and the selection process or the entrance test will again happen in the one of the campus of Christ University as per your admit card, whichever campus you have selected. And for the psychology and computer application students, the forms will close on 27th of March. They have two sessions, that is April and May. The forms will close on 27th of March and your entrance test will be the computer based test that you have to give in centers. ठीक है, उसके बाद आपका 11 to 15th April is your SP dates and your second round, that will be your micro presentation and skill assessment. It will take place in any of the campus that you have selected, and same goes for the May session, and the forms will close on 29th of April, and the entrance test date is 9th of May 2025. Okay, so now let's move on to how to fill an application form. So you will see this type of screen. Okay, and if you haven't registered, you have to click on register here. Okay, so after you have logged in, you have to select a course that you want to pursue. Okay, suppose I'm going for BBA in Central Campus. Okay, then you will see 6 subsections. That is your program selection. Second is term and conditions. Third is personal data. Fourth is address and parent details. Fifth is educational details. Sixth is review, and the last one is the selection process and the payment. So you must be knowing that the application form or the registration fee is 1700, and it will be not be refunded whether you are admitted in Karachi University or not. ठीक है, so first step is your program selection. Please ध्यान से करना इस step को, because you have to select कि आपको कौन से campus को अपनी कौन सी preference में रखना है, which is very very important. ठीक है, suppose I have kept Bangalore Central Campus on the first, second is my Kengari campus, and third is the Yashwantpur campus. ठीक है, then you have to admit to all the terms and conditions. And see, the last step is students joining this program will be required to study an additional 4th year if the regulatory authorities mandate 4 years of duration for an honors degree. ठीक है, so I have already cleared कि जो honors degree है you have to take for 4 years, and आपको 1 साल extra करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, so after admitting to all terms and conditions, you have to fill in your personal details like your name, gender, nationality, your blood group, etc. ठीक है, and one important thing I would like to tell you is that in the end you will see a sports and the extracurricular details. ठीक है, so I assure you या फिर I request कि अगर आपको कोई भी है, जैसे आप स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छे हो, आप नेशनल या फिर स्टेट लेवल तक किसी भी स्पोर्ट्स में पहुंचे हो, तो प्लीज इसमें ऐड कर देना. इट विल डिफर योर एप्लीकेशन फ्रॉम द अदर स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज ये इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं चीजें ऐड करनी कि दे विल सी कि यू हैव दिस और दैट टैलेंट, so they can give admission to you on the basis of that also. ठीक है, and if you did any internship etc, so extracurricular अगर आपके पास है तो you can add that too. ठीक है, then you have to fill your current address and then your permanent address, and if your current address is same as the permanent, so you have to tick on that checkbox. ठीक है, then you have to give your parents information as well as your guardian information. ठीक है, then click on save and proceed. After that you have to fill in your educational details. Please make sure करना बिल्कुल correct certificates लगाना. ये नहीं है कि उस section में भी आप कहो कि शायद हम दीदी गलत certificate लगा देंगे तो हमारा admission हो गया. Please don't do that, because अगर एक बार पकड़े गए you have to suffer much of your consequences. तो please ऐसा मत करना. ठीक है, and then you have to fill your educational details like your class 10th, class 12th. ठीक है, and after that you have to click on save and proceed. Then you have to preview the application कि आपने सब सही भरा है. ठीक है, अगर आपको कुछ होता है कि मैं मम्मा या फिर अपने कुछ बड़े से बातें चेक करा लूँ, so उसको सेव ड्राफ्ट करके रख लो, and then you have to click on save and proceed. So the last one is selection process and payment, where you have to select कि आपको अपना second round या फिर first round कौन से campus में देना है, and first round कौन से center में देना है, and where you live और उसके पास आसपास के center it will display कि कहाँ कहाँ आपका पेपर हो सकता है. So you have to select the nearest location to you, and then it will ask you कि आपको अपना second round कौन से campus में देना है. So you have to select that too, and then make your final payment, that is of rupees 1700, and after that your form will be submitted. ठीक है, so yeah, this was it for today's video. If you found the video helpful, please like it, and I would like to remind you that today is the last day of entering into the giveaway, and if you haven't already, please do so. And yeah, meet you in the next video. Bye.